Hello everybody, thank you for watching this video. In this today call, we are going to talk about how to launch a instance in AWS, especially Red Hat 8 Linux VM, and we will try to install Docker containerization on it. And then we will try to do some. We will just make sure our Docker commands are working fine on it. And throughout this complete web series, we will try to cover end-to-end Docker containerization training. Okay, so rather than wasting the time, let us get into the topic. uh, Hi friends, so basically we just need to have one AWS free tier account on AWS, and as soon as you get created your account, wait for some more time, just let your activation to be done. Then after you get into the console and click on services, you will be seeing something like compute EC2, right? Under the compute you might be seeing something called EC2. You just need to click on it in order to launch a Linux instance. It will take you to the next page where you might be seeing something like launch instance, right? This is correct. You just need to click on it. Yeah, under that these are all the images. I will be going with Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8, as I said beginning of this call. Let me click on here, and then we are not ready to pay for anything, so let us use the free tier eligible. This is a kind of flavor for the VM, and then I'm not going to edit anything on the network preferences. I will just go ahead and click on add storage. Of course we are not going to do any modification on the storage requirement. Let it be default one. Tags, let us remains as default. Yeah, so coming to the security group, we are doing some testing or POC project, right? So let us don't restrict our level with security hardening. So let us select something which is blindly allow everything. So if you are first time accessing the AWS, you have to click on create new, and then after you just go ahead and allow all the ports maximum as possible. Try to allow all the ports. So if you select I mean to say that if you see here, I'm allowing all the traffic blindly. So similarly you also try to allow all the ports, so that we will be not spending time in connecting to the server. Okay, so just click on launch, and then make sure you're creating a key pair, and export the key pair into the keypum file. So I have did everything for me, so I'm not going to cover those things. I will tell you where you can find those things. So as soon as you launched a VM, you go back to the EC2, and you will be seeing the VMs running here. Hopefully it should be running right now. Yeah, it's running, right? So you can click on it and go to the connect. You will be knowing how to connect that, right? So if you wanted to connect via the putty, you might be probably need a PPK file. So you will get to know how to connect this. You just click on this page and you will get to know how to access those things. By the way, I have installed GitHub on my laptop, so I can able to access the bash prompt in my shell itself. So I'm pretty comfortable with it. So let us try to connect to this instance like this. Just copy this command. Yeah, wow, we are connected to the Linux instance which we just spinned up. So let us see the uptime. Yeah, it's 1 minute, and just click on df. Yeah, everything is working. So what is the next step is to install the Docker container package, right? So I have opened some web page right next to me, and I'm going to do a copy paste of those commands. So first of all we have to configure the repo, Docker repo. This is the command. I will leave the command, whatever the commands which I'm typing, I will try to leave those things in the command box below. And then after we just need to install the Docker CE version using def dnf. Okay, so it took 2 minutes for me to install this package. Okay, so then after we have to start the Docker engine right now. Okay, systemctl status let us check Docker. Yeah, it stopped. So systemctl start Docker, it started. Now if you put docker ps, it will be running, and make sure the Docker service is getting started, persist the reboot. So let us do systemctl enable Docker. That's it. Okay, all set. Docker image, nothing. Very good, all good. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to click subscribe button. Thank you so much.